Welcome to the Village of Vegas. Welcome sa mga taga-Kanchada in there. First of all, I want to say shout out to my cousin in Qatar, Ate Janet and Kuya Val, and my nephews and my nieces, Krisha, Colot, who else? Jam in Canada, Kelly and the wife and the kids and the husband of Krisha. Hi everyone. Ingat kayo dyan. And hi also to the people of the Philippines, my kababayan. These are the twins here.
Another day, another dollars. Shout out to my friend Samuel. You're the best, man.
This is Samuel right here.
Sam, say hi.
This is Sam right here.
Samuel in the house.
Yeah. So, but anyway, right now, we're doing a barista training.
Yeah.
We were just gonna give you guys like, yung ano lang,
Roll clip.
parang ano lang, parang sa, how do you call this? Parang, gusto lang namin ipakita sa inyo that how
I
it
want to show
is,
you.
but yeah. So, this two right here, this is the other twin, this is Jasper, this is Justin, and this is Samuel. Hi, Samuel!
Shout
So,
out.
Samuel is doing delivery for us. But anyway, this is how we do it. Like when we're training, like
Books.
that. Yeah, books. And then we have all those things right there. And then we have this guy right here.
Shout
So-
out to my wife and to my daughter. I love you both.
Okay.
Shout out to Victoria.
Shit! But anyway,
Victoria.
But anyway, yeah, so itong dalawang to, like I
Mga
said,
future barista.
like I said on my previous vlog, they just moved here. And then now they're at Starbucks, they're working, so they're doing like let's say like a month training. So right now I think they're under 3 weeks already, right?
Going.
Going
Go-
3 weeks?
going to?
You guys going 3 weeks or going 2?
Going to.
No, going 3 weeks already.
Ako 1 week lang.
Oh, really? Okay, so they're going
Yeah,
under
pass na yun. Sabi mo, pass na yun.
going under 2 weeks. But fast forward, yeah, we're trying to learn everything and how to build drinks, kung ano-ano na lang. Kasi syempre, bago sa kanila yon. And then, so far naman, nag-enjoy naman. Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yeah, super enjoy guys to
See
being
you guys
barista.
there. Do you
Yeah,
wanna,
super.
You wanna say hi to your friends and
Hi, my
family?
friend, to all of them.
Shout out to
Keep
my
safe always.
boss in the Philippines, all my boss
Yeah.
and
Where?
my managers.
Where
Subscribe to our channel. Jasper Nation. Jasper Nation.
Just follow my all accounts, Destinations.
Oh, Tita needs tabang or no? I think Tita needs help. You help first.
I'll help Tita Riza.
Okay. So, yun lang. Ganito lang. Parang ano, so the whole thing, we're gonna go over with everything from brewing of coffee until so on. I think, akala ng iba guys, pag nag-work sa Starbucks, gawa-gawa lang ng coffee. It's not about that. A lot to learn.
Yeah,
Maraming i-learn.
more
It's
process.
more process, everything. Like, it's very interesting. People think that it's just like, you know, you work in a certain coffee shop, ganun-ganun lang. But in Starbucks, ano talaga, maraming kailangan matutunan. And maraming process. There's a lot of procedures, standard procedures that they need to learn. And that's why I'm here. I'm training them. And ayun, natututo naman sila. Natututo ba kayo?
Yeah,
Ha?
they are fast learner and willing to learn.
Fast
To
learner.
adapt on new things, guys.
Yes, and then they're excited because they are na, kikita na sila ng dollars, right?
Yeah, another
Pero-
day, another dollars, guys.
So another day, another dollars, which is true. But yeah, ganun talaga, bag. Swerte sila kasi I think not even 2 weeks, right? You get your job already?
Yeah.
No? So 2 weeks pa lang sila dito, they have their job already, they're okay. Are you guys busy, no? Okay. But yeah, so right now, first, the store is open, and then we're just here.
Here.
Give it to him. And we're just
I
here.
got you.
So we're just here in the back. We're doing training, and then if they need help outside, if it's busy, then we're gonna hop in and then help them. But so far right now, they got it. We have all the coverage in the floor, and then the twins are just with me, like training and studying and learn new things. Kasi meron din kaming mga may test. We have a test, we have an actual test, we have a written test. mga ganon. And then, as you can see here, Justin is right there brewing coffee. Justin! Justin! Ito naman yung panyat. Oh, di ba? Gwapo ba siya or panyat? Sa tingin mo, gwapo ka or panyat?
Cute lang ako.
Cute ka lang?
Mga po si Mama Nuloko yun, guys.
Shit! Oh, di ba?
Guys,
Oh, ayan oh.
Para
Oh.
sa inyo.
Oh. Di ba? Feeling siya, no? Feeling. But anyway, like I said, I'm just sharing my, what do you call this, daily experience here in the US. And ito yung part ng work day ko every single day.
Process.
And then, everything, like the process, procedure, and standards, this is it. And then also, well, I think that's it for today. Yeah, we just want to thank you guys for watching my vlog.
Yeah.
For please
Watch always the vlog of Little Jigs.
always promoting my vlog, and I'm grateful for
Just
that.
subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
And more likes.
Thank you for all my subscribers. And if you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe naman kayo. Please like and subscribe. You take care there, guys, sa mga kababayan natin sa Philippines and then all over the world. Dito sa USA, sa Europe, as in all over the world. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless. And I'll see you again to your next vlog. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for watching my vlog. Have a great day, guys. Peace, love.